Hello guys, and today we're going to be doing a video of how to use Marvel mashups. So as you see here, I have got Doctor Doom and Hawkeye. And yeah, today we're going to be teaching you how to mash them up. So I'm just going to quickly cut ahead in the video until I mash them up. So here I have them mashed up. In case you see, here's Doctor Doom's cape. And if you try to take these bit off, but they won't. It looks like they can, but they can't. So yeah. And if you're trying to get Doctor Doom's cape on, then be very careful, guys. It's very hard. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.